शुरू किया टैक्स कटौती का फायदा।
बीपीएल को भारतीय सेना से 30,000 करोड़ रुपए का बड़ा ऑर्डर मिला। एयर डिफेंस मिसाइल सिस्टम एंड सप्लाई करेगा।
टाटा मोटर्स की लीडरशिप में बड़ा बदलाव। ग्रुप सीएफओ पीवी बालाजी अब यूके में ज्वेलर के होंगे सीईओ। वही कंपनी के नए एमडी सीईओ होंगे शैलेश चंद्रा।
और आज से शुरू हो रही है आरबीआई की 3 दिनों की मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी मीटिंग। बुधवार को होगा पॉलिसी का ऐलान। इस बार ब्याज दरों में बदलाव की उम्मीद कम। ओके, चलिए शो की शुरुआत करेंगे। श्रेया और वीरू जुड़े हैं शो में। गुड मॉर्निंग। आज देखा क्या वीरू? आपने गुड मैच देखा? मैंने अपने तरीके से मेरा टोका शुरू में बहुत खराब हो गया। तो मैं मैच को स्कोर को जो है ना वो मोबाइल को ऑनलाइन कर देता हूँ। चिंता शुरू हो गया उसी वक्त खैर मैं तो आगे तो क्या नाम है आगे से आगे खुश हो गए कि आपने 24 के बाद बंद कर और 24 के अगर 34 अगर तब भी मैं बंद नहीं करता। देखिए सपोर्ट अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो सपोर्ट करें और काफ़ी शानदार बिल्कुल शानदार देखा जाए। बाकी खैर एक इस बीते शो के बाद थोड़ी सी याद आ रही तो गलत ट्रैक था और इनफैक्ट जब मैं गलत डाउनलोड करता हूँ इसकी सेटिंग कैसे अप्रोच करें इस सेशन को क्लोजर टू ये नहीं टूटेगा ना। आप जितना मर्जी बोल रहे हैं मार्केट के टेक्निकली मार्केट सेशन दिखाए लोअर हाई और पिछले पूरे हफ्ते ये सिलसिला रहा और पिछले फ्राइडे की हेड कैंडल काफ़ी बड़ी आपने देखी है और वीकली कैंडल भी काफ़ी बड़ी एफआईआर से वापस बड़ी बात और कुछ चीज़ ना करें।
Good morning. Are you guys able to hear me? Please, confirm whether. Yeah. I think you are able to hear.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah. So I'm back at my native place, Chennai. So I think now the stream and all will be slightly better, definitely better than last 1 month. So let me start off by marking our standard previous day high and low. This is kind of the procedure which we start always. First let us change it to normal candle. So option letter, so the GIFT Nifty is starting around 85 points high, so that's a good thing. Yesterday's low. Okay, and yesterday's high. Where is that? Here. Now it has to close about 24,867. That is your right shoulder high on the weekly chart. I hope those who have followed last week, I have talked about it and I also marked it. These option writers, this thing we will mark it after after 10 or 15 minutes. So when the option writing takes place, basically we will know the final numbers. This in the day CPVR, we currently closed last week just above that. That was a good sign, but we will see today it should be starting somewhere much higher, so that should take care of at least tomorrow's expiry. Let me remove all this. And shift it to our Ekinashi candle. That's it. We are all set now. Option writers lower and the pain area only. That's the only thing that we need to mark it. That we will do it after 10 or 15 minutes, because there is a gap up opening. So and what will happen is, based on their view, since the Asian market as well as US futures is high, based on that the option writers will position themselves. So after 10 or 15 minutes, we will check up what is the where is the pain area for them, and then we will mark it, and then accordingly we will play till tomorrow, because tomorrow is the expiry. I think there is only now 7 seconds delay, and streaming also should be much better. But still there is some issue with the internet speed. Saravanan Singaravel, okay, there is another subscriber, so I need to check any joins us. Morning. Let us check what is actually happening on the 63 points up now, Nifty, as of now. From sector purposes, so my Nifty is settled at 73 points up. Almost every sector is up. Auto, IT, FMCG, even pharma is up. As usual, I think defense is expected to do more, because there is some other order that has gone to BEL. So we will check that. And looking at the heavyweights, Reliance is starting strong usually, okay, 0.29%. And Bharti Airtel is really strong. TCS, ICICI Bank, Infi. ICICI Bank is on flat. Hindustan Unilever. So FMCG we may have to check. We may have to watch and see whether it's how it's going to perform. State Bank of India just 1 rupee up. Bajaj Finance. So Bank Nifty is up almost 71 points only. So Bank Nifty can be in a troublesome if it turns around, because there is some negative news on HDFC Bank. So we will wait for this thing. So let me go and get some water. Meanwhile, I hope people will join me. So Thursday is a holiday, so Sensex should expire on Wednesday. So those who are dealing with the note, Sensex should keep that in mind. Indigo trend. Good morning. We just marked the day high, previous day high low, etc. Option rated zone will mark around 9:30. 9:30, 9:45. We are just waiting for the market to open. So as long as the price is below our yellow line, you keep your puts, and once a clean candle is made above yellow line, you get into a call, any call. And then, so let us change this, because now Nifty is ending at 24,700. So my suggestion would be that today 650 and 750 will be ideal. Settings, let me change that. That is, if at all anybody wants to play, they should play 650 call and 750 put. That would be better. So we will keep track of those two. Both are at 114, 114. Probably we may end up seeing I know straddle is being written on that. So, but let us check. Just another 1 minute is there. Let us check as of now where the option writer position is, where it is concentrated. Morning. I'm trying to log in into Sensible. Yeah, really. Market has started now. Nifty is around 43 points. So let's wait and see. We are getting at this point of time for 3 to 4 shares only in green, rest in overall red. So, but that is the initial reaction. Just wait for few more minutes before take a call. Even now the premium, you can see between spot and future, both are here in the corner. It is both still a 50 points up. Even now I think somebody, there are people who are buying future and who think that by tomorrow Nifty will be more than 750 or 800. Even if it is 750, they won't get anything. People are paying premium because they think tomorrow Nifty will end at more than 24,800. Then only they will get 50 odd rupees. Because now you are paying 50 rupees premium on a spot price of 700. If tomorrow Nifty expires at 750, you are going to get nothing. So why you will pay 50 rupees more? You may get another 10, 50, 20 rupees. So minimum they are expecting that Nifty will end above 750. Then there won't be any. But whatever premium they have paid, they will not get, because if they sell it tomorrow, so it's not going to happen. So even now the premium is around 49 rupees. That has been always surprising. Throughout this month the premium was in, but it will very erode quickly today. In my view, by today 2 o'clock or something like that, we may see that both spot and the premium and the future will almost in the same price. So this is the open interest as of now. So there is what you call change. Let us put change. So 24,800 has got a stiff resistance, okay, and 24,700 they are trying to write. So 24,600 is support. So between 600 and 800, as of now, the option traders are expecting. We'll visit this again because it is too early. Nifty is yet to settle down properly to a rhythm. What it is going to do, let us see. See, Nifty is already coming down to less than 20 points, and you can see this premium, premium still high. Nifty, in fact, spot is trying to even go to negative in between. Okay, there is a difference between Zerodha spot and trading view spot. That is why you are getting negative in the chart below, this below, but actually it is almost 12.20 points difference. Okay, I need to check that. But the spot prices are correct, only the change, it is calculating to the, no, it's not even calculating to the pre-market. Fine. Put is losing value out here, so we checked. As of now, it is at 24,500, 24,600 is support. Okay, 24,600 is the support. So the lower limit 24,600 is 164. Okay, put. Only. Okay. So the option rate zone, the option rate will start feeling the pain if Nifty goes below 24,578, but that is as of now. Again, I repeat, because there is a possibility that can change every 15 to 1 hour, because tomorrow being 24, tomorrow being expiry, 24,800 call. Is that $50? Okay. So as of now, this looks more or less the zones. Okay, so these two yellow line zones is what Nifty can maximum move around today and tomorrow. Just for your view, like I said, Bank Nifty is not starting very strong, and that being that HDFC Bank, there is some bad news. That is why you can see HDFC Bank already negative. Even State Bank of India is not supporting, it's almost flat. It has started a clean candle, but this is, it is making a kind of a bit of a doji here. The positioning will start around 9:30, 9:45 for tomorrow. I think you will have a clear understanding. But the premium is increasing. The future premium is increasing. I think some set of people are trying to expect a short covering. So don't try to be on the put side, because one is that we already have a clean candle and the price is above our yellow line. Today's day low, as of now, the day low is this, because it is we have to see by 9:30 where the day low, then we can set it up. So next candle will decide whether the morning low has been made at 24,660 or not. But given that VIX is slowly rising, it is now almost to 11.63%. There is a possibility that market will start swinging more than last week. It may start making bigger and bigger size candles. Good morning. He said in the morning around 24,650 is the one that we can check it out. I'm just checking out it is entering a CPR, so it should be above 140. Then probably first target is 163. So the stop loss is 125. So above 140, this can go to first to 163 and then to 189. So that is 24,650. So I checked 700. 700 is in border case because there is a risk reward ratio is much low. So I suggest if at all you are looking, wait for this 650 to be above 140. Then that call can be had. But as I said, the price is likely to move between 650 and 750 quite some time today, so that the option writers will position themselves for tomorrow's expiry. That is why it is struggling. At 700 it is always kind of a bit struggling, trying to cross that. It goes to 700, comes back. Scalpers can always look at from 24,700. You take a put and then at 650 you take a call, again at 720 you exit. The scalpers have a good opportunity, will have good opportunity today. Good that HDFC Bank seems to have kicked off that bad news. So if banking sector really supports, then Nifty can blast through 700 and then try to cross 750. Once it crosses 720, 730, then this option also from 140 it will move up quickly to 163. That is 23 points because you have 20 points, 1:1 risk reward, but at 163 the first target only. Next it will become 189, so that will be the next target. So actually if it really works, it will work for the second target, so that will be around 49 points to 20 points. So 1:2 will be the risk reward ratio. Yeah. Yeah. The future premium is really not coming down. That is a very, very good sign. Tomorrow is the expiry. Still people are buying future. So It is crossing 150. So the stop loss is actually coming up. It is already at what? $146 now. It is making green, Nifty is making clean green candles. So as per our system, you should have entered. Let us see where it goes and ends. First target will be 183. That will, from 140, it is already 146 now. It should, once Nifty stabilizes above 700 for some time, then 183 will come. So if you have entered, your stop loss is, I said, 120. 120, yeah, 120 will be the stop loss. I think the support moving average is coming up. Once it crosses 140, the support moving average, then probably this will remain above 140 only at this point. As long as it is making clean green flat base candles, you continue to hold it. So you don't have to look at anything else. Only if it comes down to 120, you square off. Otherwise, you just wait. So it gave one more chance to enter again at 140. Even the shares have not started to move much actually. So you are seeing, almost four in green and 6 in red. That is it constitutes of top 10 shares in Nifty, which has a 58% weightage on the overall Nifty. If they all turn into green, this will very quickly move. Our from 140 that we have taken, it should now already it is at 150, 145. It will quickly cross even 183. Let us see. Further, Nifty has to stay above 700. And as I normally say, see how it will struggle to cross 718. Okay, I mean to 720. Now 20, 50, 80 is the three in between resistances. Once it crosses 20, you will see the option price moving very, very quickly up. Once it stays above 20, you will see the option price quickly moving up to that 183 target. That is nothing to do with the pivot, day price, etc. and all. So between 200 points in index, there is always a 20, 50, 80 as the Fibonacci retracement numbers. That will always see. Now it is Nifty is trying to stay above 720. Already the option price is at 150. It made 151 as the high. The first resistance will come only at this point. The first resistance will come only at 782. That is where the first pivot is there. The option is now at 152 now, 153 now. So let us see. It should cross 183 in my view. So from 140 to 183 will be a 40 point plus. So have your sale orders ready. Okay, and then if you have multiple lots, book one lot at around sorry, it is 163. I'm sorry, 163, around 163, 164. You can book your this thing. If it stays above and that, then you can continue to hold. The thing is that it is making clean flat based green candles in our chart, so that signifies even the next candle also will be strong. Okay, and this day low should not be broken now again. This day low, let us lock it, because that is the 15 minutes first day low, I mean day low as of now. That is already 158 now. It should cross 163. It is going strong. You should hold it till 180, 185. Once it crosses 163, there is a possibility that it will go to 185. Not 185. Yeah, 185. In between there can be red candles, but as long as this price is above our yellow line and flat candle, continue to hold. To go to that level, Nifty has to cross 750 and stay. Okay, so that is the reason I say around 164 or 162 it has already made a top. Okay, yeah, it is trying to cross that 164, and Nifty also should try to cross 40 and around 50. Nifty has to cross 50 for this to cross 164. It seems to be a strong day basically, I think, because we already have 81 points. If the short covering does come, it will be big and it will be massive. HDFC Bank is moving into strong numbers now. That is good. State Bank of India is also strong. Let us see briefly what is the overall heavyweights doing. So you have maximum greens here. You see, that is what I said. Once you get full green, you will continuously keep getting green candles. It has from morning now. It more than 6-4 is the ratio. 8 to 9 on and all, you will get continuous green candles. So you just wait. Once it is above 163.85 or 164, then the next run up will be up to 185. Okay, so 163 is definitely a resistance for this option. It is not making any doji or anything. It is making clean candles. Continue to have. Let me add our futures volume. I think I forgot to do, because I was wondering where is our momentum meter, and So we are getting a solid green candle, green rose only. That is the reason you can see from morning it has been making green candles. And this support average, moving average for this option is going up, meaning that it is the support is coming up. So you don't unless that particular moving average, which is now currently at 152, if it is broken, otherwise this will continue to rise only. So this can go up to first 164 and then to 185. Just wait. Now we should cross 164, my view. Because we are getting very clean candles and everything is now completely green here, our momentum meter. Okay, around 10:15 I expect a small profit booking candle should come. That is a normal everyday routine. I always say watch out around between 10 to 10:10, 10:05 to 10:15. You will have red candles, profit booking candles. I am not sure why it happens, but every day it happens. Maybe it is 1 hour chart, etc. As of now, market is looking strong, and this option that we suggested was here on around 159 now. It is 160. Let it cross 164, then it will definitely quickly go to 185, and around 185-86 you have your sale orders ready. From 140 to 185 you will be around 45 points. You simply book the profit and then wait. So it made 164 as high now. It should go to 185. Before 10 o'clock it can happen. The further Nifty has to cross above 24,750 and stay 170 now. See how quickly it goes. Once Nifty crosses 50, suddenly 10 points. From 160 to 170, 10 points this option jumped. So around 184 book your profits. That is around 45 points. 45 points is what? More than 3,500 rupees. And then relax. Just wait for proper. Or if you have multiple lots, because you will get again an opportunity. It's not going to be very linear. Like I said, because around 775, there will be a resistance to the market. It will not be easy for Nifty to cross 780 in a quick go. It will. I am not telling it won't, but best is to know the next candle. I am just watching the option price. I will tell you if it starts above N64, then definitely you will see 184, and at that point you should start. 184 to 189 is the area you should start. Kind of trying to book the profit. Keep it is already 171 now. I think next candle is starting strongly only in option price. And we are not seeing any. The candles are very clean, except for one doji which it made at 920. Rest of the candles are clean base, no wick candles. So you are sitting with a 30 points. So I leave it to you. Those want to close out, etc. and all could increase your stop losses. Now cost to cost you should have a minimum as a stop loss, that is 142, and around 140 we entered, 140, so you have 140 as your stop loss. If you have multiple lots, no, you can book one around 164 and then wait for the rest whether it goes up or goes down. Now actually 161 is the moving average support for this. Nifty, struggling to cross 50, so that is why the option price is hovering around. But look at our candle here. This is the most important thing. Okay, so as long as it makes clean base like this, no, so you don't have to worry. So that is what you need to keep looking. Whether is it making a wick in the bottom. If it is not making a wick in the bottom, you continue to have your this thing. It is staying above 164, that is a good sign. So 140 we are riding this. Let us see. HDFC Bank is getting stronger. Banking itself, SBI and HDFC, two largest. Let us see how the private company, ICICI Bank is the one which is dragging down Bank Nifty, and Kotak is strong, almost 0.5% now. Infi, Hindustan Unilever, TCS. So IT is dragging. So there can be one around, I said, by there can be before around 10 o'clock, 10:15, between 10 and 10:15 there can be one red candle. So you will always get opportunity, but just hold it as long as this you have flat green candles here. I'm not seeing any danger lights as of now. Just watch out for this particular candle. It should be a flat bottom, no wick on the bottom. The first doji type of candle it will make on Nikkei, then you can see that okay, maybe Nifty is trying to stay put there for some time or go down. See, Nifty is quickly retracing back. So the option prices also. So let's simply wait for this candle to close. As of now, it is trying to make a doji, but it is not necessary the next candle will be red, because there are many times it has made, if you see, that it has made doji candles, then it went up also. Okay, and also you have to wait for the 5 minutes to close. Then only you will be very clear than what kind of candle it is making. The option price is getting against strengthening. So, but we have a couple of red dots coming up here, which is a leading indicator, meaning that at some point, not immediately, there is a possibility that in couple of candles that we may get some red candle, which I actually synchronizes with what I have been telling. Around between 10 to 10:15, you will definitely have couple of red candles in Nifty every day. So watch out for that. Those who are very quick, it is already 171. If it makes a dash to 185, at 185, at least book your profits and wait, and let it cross 189, then you can re-enter. So between 185 and 189, you should book profits for this, and wait for the option price to go above 189 and then immediately enter. Okay, because at 199 there is a possibility that some retracement can come. It is already 176 now. From 140 to 176, it is already 37 points. It should get touched very quickly on 85. At that point, you should keep your sale order ready and book profit. So keep shifting your stop losses, okay, so that you should not have any loss. Now in next two candles by 10, I think it should touch 185. Let us see. Nifty is crossing 50 and is stabilizing over 750 now. The first resistance will come only at 775, not 775, 780, I think. 782. That will be the first resistance. So that is where it may, Nifty can turn around and again try to come back. So it is at 173 now. Just hang on. This candle is not closed. This may be a doji candle. Next candle we need to see. If the next candle here also it becomes a sign kind of a doji, then we will have. Meanwhile, before that, my view is that this option will make it to 184 and 185, at least half of quantity, or you should book and wait for re-entry, because once it touches 189, the fall will be 187, 188, the next candle fall will be good, very fast, but it is making a clean candle again, then you can wait. It is making a clean candle here, not making heavy any wick, and yellow line is going up. Yellow line is now gone up to 715. Once yellow line crosses 720, then this will have further momentum. So once 180 now, almost made 181 as the peak. So let it cross around 185, 184, 183 now. So Nifty will come to 782 and retrace. So that is the reason I am telling you here Nifty will come here and retrace. That is why you should start booking profits on this particular option. It is 182 now, around 184 to 189 you should start booking your profits. I leave it to you, depending upon your risk and the chance factor you should we are making very clean candle. The previous candle was slightly a doji, that's okay. This candle in our Nifty chart is very strong, strong, and still we have not got any red in our momentum here. So we have improved a lot, I said last week. So it has made a 184, so it has actually touched the target what I gave. Already 184 has been reached, so that is 44 points from morning, first 30 minutes. Next candle will go on hit 782 and from there it will retest. In this candle you should start booking profits because the option prices will fall before the Nifty. Okay, always remember, option price will precede the Nifty candle. So it is now hovering around 180, 182 and 182. So even then, even if you close at 180, it is 40 points, which is 3000 rupees per lot. Then you can simply sit back and relax and wait for the next good opportunity. That is what my suggestion would be, because around 124 782 नीचे आ सकता है, निफ्टी नीचे आ सकता है. अगर ऊपर गया, it crosses, fine, you enter again beyond 190. Okay, because after 190 it has got a bigger target. Alternatively, keep increasing your stop losses. Those who want to say, okay, I am willing to play that Nifty will cross the 782 also, if you have such a positive view, keep increasing your stop losses. Now it should be somewhere around 172, 175, etc. So my suggestion would be around 184, 180, 183, 184. You should start exiting lot by lot. So it gave one more opportunity of 183 in this candle also. It is 10 o'clock candle. See, option started to precede the Nifty price. Now watch it very closely. If it stays above 190 only, further momentum will come. Okay. So from now to 189, from any place that option can turn around. But we are getting another clean candle in Nifty. That is a good sign. Only thing concerned here is that you have more reds here, as well as some red dots have come in the top, which is our leading indicator. Otherwise, you can have your sale order ready and see whether if there is any big drop or anything. See, again it is crossing, trying to cross 184. Nifty should come and touch the 782, but it will not, in a clean candle. It will make a wick and then come back. So that is the problem when it comes near a pivot. If today Nifty closes above 24,812, then you are going to be a very positive tomorrow also. So first resistance is 782. By chance, if it crosses, this will be a very, very strong resistance. That is 24,812. Crossing that will be challenging. Then what will happen is all the entire call writers will get into issue. So the option price is getting squeezed between a moving average support and a pivot. That is, one is at 173, another is at 189. So wait to re-enter if you have already exited at 184. If not, keep your sale orders very ready and exit if Nifty goes below 175. I mean, option price goes below 175 immediately. As it comes near 174, 176, 177, complete your sale order. If it crosses 189.50 or 190 and stays above that, so you got one more chance for 184. Now you should get one more chance now. Let us see. Then it can really hurriedly go to, can cross 200 very quickly if it stays above 190. So, but my view is that as soon as Nifty touches 782, there will be a retracement. See, and it will be fast. You won't have time to react. That is the reason I kept telling at 184. You keep booking your profits. Because in one zoop from 180 it will come to 170 within no time. Even before you can say Jack Robinson. See, it has already come to 174. That is the reason I said you should sell off at 184. Okay, just wait now. Now don't enter anything. Now that you know 40 to 40 plus points have been made, we have to wait for an opportunity, and don't rush to put now, thinking that market will turn around and go back and go down. That won't happen, because between 10 and 10:15 I said there will be red candles in Nifty, but that doesn't mean Nifty will turn around. Around 10:15 you will know. So wait. If you have exited, just wait. Please subscribe, like and share. See, it is trying to make a red candle in the Nifty. Now simply wait. Let the price come below our yellow line. Then we will enter that 24,750 put. Not before. So you made your 40-45 points in the morning. If the Nifty, if the option crosses 190, again we will enter call. Otherwise, we will wait for the Nifty price to stabilize, either come down or give us an opportunity to go up. Since we have multiple reds here, there is a possibility that it can come down. Some red candles can come in the Nifty chart. So now Nifty will oscillate between for some time between 750 and 782, because from 640 it has now already come to 750 in the morning. Okay, so it started somewhere here. Here is what, around 649, 650. It has made already rushed to almost what 90 points. So it will wait. There can be a further short covering also. But for it to now make one side movement, it will take some time. Either Nifty will stabilize in this range, or it will cross this and it will come and stabilize in this range. I am expecting Nifty to kind of hover around between 780 and 812 during the day. At some point it should come out here, and then if it turns here, then it will go to try to test yesterday's low again, which may not be a situation, because we are not losing premium. The premium between spot and future is still very much on. Let us add our futures volume indicator also. We have developed one with moving averages for the volume also. So okay. So we'll keep a track of the kind of what you call wait, let the candle come down below our yellow line, or the option that we traded in the morning go above 190. Let any one of those things happen, then you trade. Otherwise you simply wait. Nifty having run up around 70 or 80 points, it will kind of stay put. So don't be in a hurry to get into either call or put. This call that we traded in the morning, you should get in only again if it stays above 190, not before. If you want to get into put, as of now it looks like that Nifty can come down below our yellow line. So you can look at that 750. Instead of 750, let us make it 800. That would be a better option to play. Because 812 is definitely a stiffer resistance. So let me check that option price, this thing. Because Nifty is making red candles now, so that option, that 24,800 will become only by above 77, not 77, sorry, above 71. Currently it is at 62. You can enter only above 71, and then it has got a kind of first target of almost 95. So, and the day low for that is very nearby. The issue with that particular option, that is 24,800 option, is it has got 48, 49 as the support. So stop loss, as of now it has got some 12 points loss, but don't enter now, enter only above 71, not before. If you enter any time before 71, it can very quickly go to 49. Do not enter anything now, because this is our candle yellow line as usual is giving support, is showing that where Nifty can turn around again. This is making a green candle. It may make couple of dojis, and around 10:15 the next candle may become again a clean candle. Then you should look for the 650 option call. Then by the time that should cross 190. Okay. The next candle will decide where Nifty wants to go. If there is a powerful short covering, okay, then Nifty, let us assume hypothetically Nifty is very strong and kind of it is going to go. The next first big resistance will come only at 850. Okay. So that was a clean trade from 140 to 182, 184, 44 points. Now we will wait. Okay, Nifty is not taking support out of yellow line now, and this our option is trying to cross 190. So, but again, with 190 as your stop loss only, you should enter, or once 184 as your stop loss. So it is sustaining above 190 now, but Nifty has to cross 782. Those who are holding it from 140 when you bought it in the morning, now it is 200 now. So around 220, 223 again you can start booking profits. Nifty is trying to cross the 782. See, it exactly went to that point and trying to retrace there. So for your cost you should have, because minimum now 192 185 becomes your stop loss, even if you have entered around 190. With 5-point stop loss you operate, because Nifty can quickly come down. If the next candle in the option price goes above 190, I will immediately inform. Then I will tell you that option price is getting still stronger. Okay. So this has been a very good trade from morning. 140 we have entered, and 194 we booked. Again around 184 we booked. Again 190 we have entered. It is now 206. Keep trailing your stop losses. See, Nifty is trying to cross. Now 812 will be the resistance for Nifty. When if it is in 812, this option will be around 222. So you can kind of book profits there. This pivot will be a bigger resistance. Always remember, this pivot and what we are seeing will be a bigger resistance. Next candle is also starting strongly only, but flickering between red and green on the option. So have your stop losses. So now it is at 207 now. 222, 223 you should book profits. So from 190 another 33 points. So that will totally make 75 points today. HDFC Bank is really actually pumping both Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has to cross 55,000 again, then only the momentum will come back there. $224 में you should exit this, exit करने का ये option 223 222 224 में अच्छा खासा by the time 80 पॉइंट बन गया, चुप रहने का. From 140 to 223 is even if you deduct the in between 6 points, almost 78 to 80 points. 80 points means what? Almost 6,000 rupees. Then you simply book profit and watch. Try to understand. Don't lose that money. 6,000 you have made. Just keep quiet and just watch. Or keep your, if you are entering, enter into small lots depending upon our system. Again it is making a clean candle, green candle here. So the next candle should start above this red line. Then it will go and hit this line and then come back. That is what will happen. Let us see where this candle ends. If this candle itself ends below 782, then it will not even go to the pivot. Of course, it will go and test it during day. Sometime it will go and test it. Once you have made profit, always safeguard that money by putting strict stop losses. So that whatever is that is earned in the morning, you don't lose. The problem with option prices is that it can fall rapidly, within seconds it can lose 10 rupees, 20 rupees, like that. If you go slowly from 40, you make 182 and lose in few seconds 15 rupees, 20 rupees, then it is a waste, correct? Whatever effort that you put in the morning will go waste. अरे नो लाइक बटन 5,000 तक पैसा बना दिया, फिर भी नो लाइक बटन. Nifty seems to be in a mood to test 812 because it is making clean green candles. Nifty, it will come to this place, but this option price is weakening, so it will take support at 190. So but see this pivot itself, Nifty is struggling. This pivot is still Nifty is struggling. Let it cross 782 and our option has come back to our cost. So no, not cost, yeah, that is the reason I said keep trailing. Let us enter because it is making doji again, crossing to 782. First is there is a struggle. There are two things, one is pivot, another is our Fibonacci between 200s. So 780 is tough to cross immediately, and then once it crosses then it will go to 812. So Nifty may end up, in the morning I said Nifty may end up spending its time here, okay, so don't be surprised, it spends some time here till 130. Okay, Nifty can come here and spend some. In fact, actually, you have to pull it up. If it doesn't come here, then it will come here. Once then, if a red see, tomorrow is expiry, correct? So it has gone down there, and as per our system, we talked about the 24,800 put. I said above 70 only that should be bought. I don't think it made only a spike of it, so not a major what you call sustaining above that. Shares are weakening. Many of the shares which have been in the green slowly turning into red. And the gains also getting crippled. Kind of SBI, which was more than 7 rupees up, now it has come to 4 rupees. HDFC Bank also was paying. So there is a possibility that Nifty will test this 702 at some point, but let us see. It is below. So if you have bought the put here, you should continue to hold it as long as this price is below our yellow line. So I keep repeating, please learn the system. You got all the information here. Momentum should be kind of not all green or all red, or the price should be below. You can enter. You have the top 10 shares index. Heavyweights, index heavyweights, but the premium is not gone down, so that is good actually. TVS Motor, which was up in the morning, now is in the negative. There is some profit booking again, now and then it is taking place in between. Okay, so this one is above 70 only, that is 24,800 PE. As long as it is below 71, do not enter into it. So from here morning we took the call position here in the morning, and we exited somewhere here. So now what you need to do is to wait for the next opportunity, because Nifty in the mood to go sideways now. One more attempt is being made with the option to cross 190. Let us see. But it is going to be sideways, so just stay put. It will be better that no. Not much movement. Nifty just loitering between 750 and 780. That is your pivot resistance. So kind of a bit of a boring. Let us just check. both the premiums, that is what we are looking at now, 24,650 24,800 का पुट दोनों रेंज के बीच में ही है, कुछ मत करो अभी। दोनों का ऑप्शन प्राइस भी बहुत गिर रहा है। सी अभी लेट अस सी फॉर एग्जांपल 24,650 177 मीन्स 24,822. So the maximum that they are expecting is Nifty will go up to this. That's it. By tomorrow also. So 700 is going to be a very solid support. Okay, solid support, and 800 it's not a major resistance actually speaking. Because there is good amount of put rating is also there. Actually more put rating than call rating. Maybe Nifty is trying to cross this 24,800 and test out something here. We'll see again in the afternoon. So this particular PE 24,800 PE, I kept saying you buy it above 70. Once it is above 70, I am not sure how many people have done it, because once it makes a clean candle, I said above 70 you buy. It is now another, it is at 113 rupees. Say another 43 rupees. So 2 clean trades the system has given today. Above 70 I said you should buy. I think there was one candle which started very cleanly above 70, 72, 73. Even if you got it at 73, no, the peak was 125. That is what I said, 120, another 40 points. So that was there. Unfortunately, I am setting up my monitor. That is the reason I couldn't be there. Even now there is going to be some disturbance. So no, kind of bear with me. Otherwise, I could have guided it from this level itself. I could have said take the this thing here itself. Because these green candles we should never be scared. Because once you take it here, that is at 24,768 when it made a very very clean candle. That is at 1040. See, at 1040 this option was at in fact that is what started, but we should have waited for 70, because that is a safer bet. 60 is a very risky one. We should have waited for 70, 73, then we would have made the clean trade of 113. So the system more and more is becoming more reliable now. Absolutely. Number one, also we also got here 9 reds. That very clearly indicates market would have been turning red. Okay, now again we start getting some green shoots. Okay, so bear with me. So I need to change the monitor. While this thing is going on, we will be able to do it. Okay, just a second, I will join again. అంటే రేపు అది వస్తుంది.
ఓకే. డిస్కనెక్ట్ చేస్తారు అయితే